Good morning, everybody. This is Lorraine Alternative Homesteading. Just back with another evidentiary video. I'm getting my birds out for today. I put on these pants, which were fine 3 days ago. 3 days ago, these pants were fine. This morning I put them on, and this is what they look like. They like to use their little X's, right? They like to use their X's on the pants. So they did one leg and not the other. Because I'm throwing my clothes out. The clothes that they mark up like this, I'm throwing them out. So here's the X. Just like on my pillowcase yesterday. ... This is, with your tax dollars, military grade technology can intentionally, deliberately rust anything, whether it's galvanized, silver, gold. They will rust anything. They will use a chemical to bleach your clothing. No, this is not bleach. This is not Clorox bleach. This is not bleach. These are chemical weapons utilized to torture U.S. Americans. So if this is happening to you, leave a comment down below. And you can always tell who they are. They're Luciferian Satanists. Infraguard. Infraguard is part of the FBI. That's right. And then you got your neighbors, and then the criminals that look out for the people that are on my property right now. 24/7, there's always somebody watching you. They take turns, 8-hour shifts. They're fusion center operatives. And they communicate with the people that drive back and forth, like on the county road or by your neighborhood around the block. They communicate with them so that one of them is breaking into your house, like I'll be at my mailbox, and one will be driving by, and they're communicating with the person that's already on my property so that they can run in and out of my house and do some damage, just literally in 4 minutes. And these are trained operatives with your tax dollars. That's right. With your tax dollars, these are trained operatives. This is the exact same mark that's on my pillowcase. This is deliberate. It's not naturally occurring. And this happens to me every day. And this is a psychological operation. Make no mistake. This is done intentionally, deliberately to drive a person crazy. Okay, this is with your tax dollars. This is the U.S. governmental grants that are going out into communities. And no, I'm not making this stuff up. Go read the book by Stephen Friend, FBI whistleblower. They call them suspendables because they were suspended. They actually weren't fired. They were suspended from employment. And Stephen Friend specifically states that it is the sheriff who invites these corrupt programs into their communities. That the sheriff can say no to these corrupt programs. I've got birds going nuts over here. One second, guys. 1 second. You'll get a photo here. You get to see how my birds are going to pop out of this coop today. Okay, you ready to rumble, guys? Here they come. Here they come, giddy giddy. Here are the girls. Noise campaign Zoom boy up in the corner there, revs up his engine. This is every day. But I'm glad I've got my camera going. So say hi to everybody today. Snowden, do you want to blow the whistle? Flap your wings, do the cock-a-doodle-doodle. But anyway, this is what it looks like here in the morning. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. Oh, no, 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 no. Guys, we doing that already? Damn. Roosters get laid more than any man that I know. Anyway, on that hilarious note. No, this is with your tax dollars, men and women, boys and girls. And yes, no, I'm not crazy or delusional. Oh, and Jane Doe that created your profile yesterday, May 28, 2024, to leave a derogatory message. You've been reported also and blocked. So keep creating those profiles. I have no problem blocking you. Easy peasy. But anyway, I'm going to get going here. And they're the guineas. Sky is blue. They're my chickens and guineas going to eat cat food because they're little cat food thieves. Just like all the wildlife around here, I woke up this morning and my not so favorite raccoon was lurking. Yes, this is like a resident raccoon. And he's been here for, I don't know, 3 years. It's the same raccoon. But I don't know why he's awake so early in the morning. I'm preparing the cat food to distribute to the cats. I go back in the house, put my clothes on, I come back out, and the raccoon grabbed the dish, dragged it to the floor, and started eating the cat food. So anyway, hopefully his stomach is filled and he will go back to sleep. This particular raccoon does not bother any of the chickens, which is surprising. Of course not. Why would he bother the chickens? He's getting so well fed with cat food. But anyway, I'm going to show you one more time. I'm going to show you my pants one more time. But that's okay, losers. I'll be throwing these away too. I don't want any of your exes, your Luciferian, Satanist, Freemason bullshit, okay? All of this stuff is being documented for when I file my lawsuit, okay? When I file the lawsuit, everybody's going to be named. Everybody. And all the unnamed people too. So keep it up. I'm just collecting more evidence, okay? More evidence, because to the best of my knowledge, everybody keeps suing the government. And the government keeps throwing your lawsuits out. You've got to sue your local people, folks. Who's responsible for taking your incident reports and performing an investigation? Who's responsible for coming over and photographing the vandalism? If you give the name of a person that you know is trespassing your property, you give the name and the location of that person, and that person is not interrogated or arrested or called in, who's responsible for that? And for that person who left the threat, YouTube does not like it when you threaten people in the comments section. So keep putting down those threats. I'll keep reporting you. And all you people out there that are listening, whether you're new to the channel, welcome. Whether you've been on the channel, welcome back to the channel. Please remember to subscribe, hit the notifications bell. But if you see derogatory comments, whether it's on your channel, whether you see it in response to some of your comments, because remember, I'm not looking at the comment section 24/7. Like, I'll look at it in clumps of time during the day when I have time. So you may be able to see it before I do. And if you see it before I do, feel free to report it. Even if it doesn't affect you personally, feel free to report it. Because we need to keep YouTube safe, right? We need to keep YouTube safe. People cannot be posting threatening comments in the comments section, threatening to report somebody to the Kentucky State Police. You're an anonymous person, you creepo. You creepo, stop stalking my channel. You've already been reported and blocked. So of course you created a new profile, Jane Doe. I know that there are a lot of psychopathic women stalking me. They've been doing it most of my life. Okay, so here is, this is Trey. This rooster here. This is Trey Gowdy. I call him Trey. Here he is. He's big and handsome. He's got the longest, disgusting claws in the back there. I saw this potato method. I haven't done it yet. I saw somebody on a farm use a boiling hot potato. A boiling hot potato. And put that really hot potato on that back claw, that spur, and leave it there just for like a minute. And evidently the hot potato expanded the outer layer of the spur so that you can twist it off. And then underneath you have like a cuticle. I haven't had time to do it because by the time they get into the coop at night, it's like 8:30, 9 o'clock at night. I'm not into boiling potatoes at that time of the night. But we've got another one coming down the pike here. But if anybody else knows a better way to loosen or remove the spurs on a rooster, please leave a comment down below. But anyway, this is Lorraine Alternative Homesteading. Just wanted to bring you that evidentiary video about the clothing vandalism. I wore these pants just a couple of days ago, maybe 3 days ago. Washed them, put them on this morning, and here they are. And I don't use bleach on the clothing, by the way. For the naysayers, this is your tax dollars. This is military-grade technology being utilized against the American people. Wake up, everybody. Please, wake up.